Sounds. Sounds of EMI. Hello, it's album time. Top album releases of the week. Here come your favorite record artists on the labels that feature the brightest and best in popular music. Yes, the best albums of the week. So walk right in for the Sounds of EMI. '63 brought a lot of song hits from the EMI labels, and Lawrence Welk has recorded 12 of them on the One Big London LP. Songs like Walk Right In, Blame It on the Bossa Nova, What Will Mary Say, All I Have to Do Is Dream, lots of others. All excellent Lawrence Welk arrangements on London, and it's called 1963's Early Hits. Make a real nice Christmas gift. It's released this week and presented first in Sounds of EMI. For those who like their music country style, here comes Volume 1 of the Country Music Hall of Fame. 17 tracks and just as many well-known American country and western artists. Side 1, Track 1, Jimmy Dean.
Now I was born in Dixie in a boomer shack, just a little shanty by railroad track. The humming of the drivers was my lullaby, and a freight train whistle taught me how to cry. I got the freight train blues. Lordy, 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 got 'em in the bottom of my rambling shoes. And when the whistle blows, I gotta go. I guess I'm never gonna lose the freight train blues. My mother dear, she was the only daughter of an engineer. My sweetie was a brakeman and it ain't no joke. It's a shame the way she keeps a good man broke. I got the freight train blues. Lordy, 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 got 'em in the bottom of my rambling shoes. And when the whistle blows, I gotta go. Oh, lordy, I guess I'm never gonna lose the freight train blues.
He's got the freight train blues for some locomotive. Jimmy Dean from the London release of American country music. It's the Hall of Fame Volume 1. Brings us, among others, fellas like Johnny Cash, Arthur Guitar Boogie Smith. Recorded in Tennessee and released this week. From Nashville to you comes the cream of country and western USA. Love that trumpet. For the first time, the exotic sounds of Arthur Lyman are recorded live as they appeared in person in one of their regular engagements at the Crescendo on Hollywood's renowned Sunset Strip. Listen now as the quartet presents Similo. from Hawaii, the men of the Arthur Lyman Quartet, adding that exotic and sensitive touch to everything they play. What do you say? Arthur Lyman at the Crescendo, recorded live with cover notes by Gene Norman and a cutout from Time magazine. It's on Vogue, it's released this week, and it also swings. When one thinks of Latin American music, the name Edmundo Ross stands out. Have you heard the new Ross LP? It's a good one. Be extra good for that Christmas party. It's Sing and Dance with Edmundo Ross. So let's do just that with a selection from this, his latest Decca album.
It was fiesta down in Mexico, and so I stopped a while to see the show. I knew that Frenesy meant please love me, and I could say Frenesy. A lovely senorita caught my eye. I stood enchanted as she wandered by, and never knowing that it came from me, I gently sighed Frenesy.
She stopped and raised her eyes to mine. Her lips just pleaded to be kissed. Her eyes were soft as candle shine.
Your green eyes with their soft lights, your eyes that promise sweet nights, bring to my soul a longing, a thirst for love divine. In dreams I seem to hold you, to find you and enfold you. Our lips meet and our hearts do, with a thrill so sublime. Bésame, bésame mucho. Each time I cling to your kiss, I hear music divine. Bésame mucho. Hold me, my darling, and say that you'll always be mine.
This joy is something new, my arms enfolding you. Never knew this thrill before. Whoever thought I'd be holding you close to me, whispering it's you I adore.
Dearest one, if you should leave me, each little dream would take wing and my life would be through. In leaving you, it grieves me to say adios. I'll be so lonely for you only. I sigh and cry my adios, adios to you. And in this heart is memory of what used to be dear, for you and me set apart.
Moon watching and waiting above. Soon it will be blessing our love.
Brazil, the Brazil that I knew, where I wandered with you, lives in my imagination.
A lot of good tracks, huh? The music and the words of the all-time South American favorites. Just in time for Christmas, Sing and Dance with Edmundo Ross on Decca label. And like all the others in our show, it's in your record store this week. It's just one of the many sounds of EMI. Kev Golsby speaking.